U.S. Senator Jerry Moran is visiting hospitals while on holiday break. Our Capitol Bureau Chief Courtney Ryan caught up with the senator as he visited the University of Kansas Health System St. Francis campus.
Back in Kansas on holiday break, U.S. Senator Jerry Moran visited this hospital. While here, he talked about funding for the CHIP program as well as the GOP tax plan. Visiting with doctors at the University of Kansas Health System St. Francis campus.
Anything I need to know?
Kansas Senator Jerry Moran talked about the importance of health care.
How we deliver health care in Kansas determines a lot about the future of our state.
Moran says when he returns to D.C., he'll continue to push Congress to find long-term funding solutions for the CHIP program. Kansas has enough money to fund the program through March. CHIP is insurance for children whose parents don't qualify for Medicaid but can't afford private health insurance.
We get rid of the uncertainty. No family ought to be worried about whether or not CHIP is going to be available to care for their children.
And when it comes to the GOP tax plan, which mirrors part of the 2012 Kansas tax plan, Moran says its effects are expected to be different because the U.S. economy is better.
What every community in Kansas and what every citizen of our country needs are more jobs, better paying jobs, higher paying jobs, more secure jobs. And jump-starting the economy can be so beneficial to so many people.
However, the Kansas Democratic Party doesn't agree.
This is essentially a rerun of the same things that Governor Brownback tried, and we know in Kansas that it just hasn't worked. So there's very little reason to believe it's going to work on the federal level.
Moran also addressed the holdup with Governor Sam Brownback's nomination to serve as Ambassador at Large for International Religious Freedom.
Part of this has been the slowness of Democrats in particular to approve nominations generally.
He believes the nomination will be voted on when senators have more floor time for debate.
I don't think there's any question about what he would be confirmed, but the process takes longer unless there's cooperation from all senators.
Moran says when the Senate gets back to work in 2018, one of the top priorities is funding for the federal government. In Topeka, I'm Courtney Ryan.